Christmas is a time for giving. Often we think of it as gifts of the unwrapping sort, but children's most memorable Christmases are likely to be the ones where parents give of themselves. And this is above all the case where children's parents live in different homes. Christmas in these circumstances can become a painful thing, where children can experience most vividly the conflict between their parents far more than any physical gift. And the research tells us that it is the unresolved conflict that hurts children so much. And so often conflict is at its highest at Christmas, and the contrast between what children would like to have is at its greatest. That's why the gift that may matter at Christmas are the gifts between the parents of listening, of trying to see the situation from the other parent's side, of trying to make it work for everyone. Above all, what children may need is the gift of their parents' vision, where their parents each reach that place of properly seeing the Christmas holiday through their children's eyes. Children probably don't want to spend most of Christmas on the road. They probably don't want 2 sets of roast dinners with sprouts back to back. Probably don't want sprouts, period. They definitely don't want to see their parents disappointed or with hard to control fury because one bit of intricate timetabling or another has fallen over or appears to have been deliberately flouted. Extending the Christmas period can work well. Perhaps it doesn't all have to be packed into the 25th December. Alternating Christmases is an easy way to negotiate what one parent won't have this year, they will have next. Better still is likely to be creating new Christmas traditions over an extended period. And slowing it all down, putting space into our Christmases would benefit all of us, giving us all time just to be with each other and enjoy the time. So there you have it, Christmas cakes. C is for creating new traditions, A is for alternating, if that is a good way for you, K is for kindness, and E is extending the Christmas period to better fit in what needs to fit in. And S is for just slowing it all down and enjoying the time you have together in the calm space between. Mediation is the place to sort out most of the parenting issues of the sort that arise at Christmas. Parenting issues are seldom about law, they're mostly about parents finding their best selves to sort out their family issues. A mediator can help the conversation, will work to ensure there is real understanding of the problems and fears on each side, will help you to explore alternative options and come up with a plan to make all of this work, all being well, in a form that you can bank upon. However, a mediator can't impose an outcome. And that can be worrying for parents who think that it will be impossible to solve this tight Gordian knot by just talking about it and reaching agreement. If so, then what can reassure parents about entering mediation is to have the backup of arbitration. An arbitrator can impose a decision, like a judge. Unlike a judge, you don't need to go to court to have them do this. They are appointed privately, and at Flip we can provide an arbitrator, I'm one of the 2 dealing with children work, or help you access one of the 80 or so other lawyers in the country qualified to provide this service. And under this med to arb arrangement, you get as far as you can with your mediator, but if you're absolutely stuck, you each know that an arbitrator can come in and slice through the last strand of the knot. In fact, in our experience, because parties know this, they're able to keep working a bit longer in the mediation and will generally be able to reach agreement themselves. In short, because arbitration is there, you generally don't need it. Children who are capable of forming their views have a right to be heard in the issues that involve them. Where things are tough between parents, children may be anxious about expressing their views to their parents, but mediation provides a safe structure for a highly qualified professional to receive children's contributions in a pretty informal chat. This information is often then fed into the conversation between parents, and it really helps. In most circumstances, it will be helpful and important to hear the thoughts of children who are 8 or more. In short, we will run this process as efficiently as possible. It may be an absolute lifesaver for you, but it is going to involve some time and cost. That may be a further incentive to finding your own solutions to these issues, tricky and tough though they may be. There's a third aspect. What almost certainly lies behind your looking at this is the need to carry out some deeper work. Where conflict and unresolved problems are a regular feature of your parenting relationship, it will often be because of the habits that have been built up during the relationship or after its end, about how you sort things out. Investing in mediation backed by counselling expertise, you may well uncover better ways of managing parenting decision making. In short, the fact you're having difficulty at Christmas may point towards a real imperative of doing some deeper work in the new year to make things better for your children. A first point of contact will be Wendy, whose contact details are on the website.